The highly anticipated meeting between External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov happened today. Lavrov arrived in India for a two-day visit on Thursday evening. In the meeting on Friday morning, Jaishankar said the talks were happening in a difficult international environment. In his opening remarks at the talks, Jaishankar, referring to the Russia-Ukraine conflict, said India is in favor of resolving differences and disputes through dialogue and diplomacy. The meeting is taking place in the backdrop of Russia offering steep discounts to India for purchase of Russian oil. On this, Sergei Lavrov said, "If India wants to buy anything from us, we are ready to discuss and reach mutually acceptable cooperation." On Western sanctions, Lavrov said, "For many years there is an anti-Russia campaign and we are trying to counter that. We are fine, our partners are also fine." Meanwhile, talking about India-Russia ties, he stressed on the friendship and said that our Western colleagues would like to reduce a meaningful international issue to the crisis in Ukraine. He continued, referring to Jaishankar, "You know our position and we do not hide anything. We appreciate that India is taking this situation in the entirety of facts and not in a one-sided way. India has so far abstained from voting on a series of United Nations resolutions condemning the Russian invasion of Ukraine. There is growing disquiet in Western nations over India's decision to remain neutral." On Thursday, United States Deputy National Security Advisor for International Economics, Daleep Singh, said that countries attempting to circumvent the sanctions imposed on Russia will face consequences. The US official also warned that Russia would not help India if China made incursions along the line of actual control again. However, the United Kingdom's Foreign Secretary Liz Truss, who's visiting India at this time as well, said that the United Kingdom respects India's decision to buy oil from Russia at discounted rates.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.